are welcoming you to RTDS Technologies in Winnipeg, Canada. And we are going to meet a number of colleagues that will tell us a lot more about it. Here with us is Kelly, the leader of the business. Kelly, tell us a little bit about yourself and the business.
A lot of people think about what is RTDS, right? So RTDS actually is an acronym. It stands for Real-Time Digital Simulation. That trademark is often used quite widely in the industry to describe the industry as a whole. And really what RTDS does itself is we're a provider of simulation solutions for our customers around the world, where we provide detailed simulation products that actually are used to be able to design and test power systems and device behaviors.
And now we're here with Paul. Paul is heading up the sales and marketing team in RTDS. Tell us a little bit more about your customers. Who are they? How they operate? What do they think of RTDS as a supplier?
We have a customer base that is built up of research centers, of manufacturers and utilities, consultants. So it's a fairly broad spectrum. A lot of our focus is on helping power utilities with decarbonization. So that's a really key element in the world today, and the RTDS is a big part of that.
And now we're here with Christine. What is the thing you like most about your job at RTDS?
I love the people. I love the people that I work with. I love the people that are our customers. And then the company itself. They've managed to put together a group of people that really work well together. It's been a joy.